Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, good evening. Where watching us from, this is the Kenyan Creative. Welcome to an episode where I'm gonna be showing you how I use Canva to create my videos, graphics, and anything media or anything I want to post online. Right, so I know there are a lot of videos out there that explain how to use Canva, how to set up your account and things like that. I'm not gonna focus on that. If you want to watch something related to the basics of Canva, you can watch on other platforms, but let me know in the comment section if there's anything you want me to show you how to do in Canva. But we're not just going to focus on Canva, we're going to do other things, including how to live stream, doing websites using WordPress, and many other things that pertain to matters media and online success. So consider this a how-to channel. Alright, so today I'm going to be designing a thumbnail. Want to design a thumbnail for my first video that I'm going to be uploading on YouTube. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come and search here for thumbnail, and it's going to give me some ideas. It's going to bring for me some already designed thumbnails. As you can see from the results, you can see all these are thumbnails, but I think because I want a specific, let's do here how to thumbnail. All right, how to YouTube tech thumbnail. All right, that's not specific, and I'm sure it's gonna give us some good results. All right, so you can see this is courtesy of AI. This is a magic design, so AI can also do a design for you based on your search, but I don't want that. I want the already made. For example, these are thumbnails. As you can see, thumbnails. All right, I think I like this one, but it looks too much hype because of this guy. But yeah, I think it's okay. My brand colors are black and white, as you can see from my logo, but I think I can work with this one, customize it, and we're gonna do something with it. Right, so I'll click on customize these templates and then adjust to what I want. So number one, as you can see, is loading. Number one is to actually change the title. So let me change it to my name. So Kenyan Creative YouTube thumbnail. Right, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, then this is not part of my color, so let me turn it to black, and then the text I'm gonna turn it to white. This one I'm gonna turn it to black in line with my colors, but let me turn it to white, and then the text is gonna be this text here. Only text here is gonna be black. All right, I think the guy can stay. What else do I need to change? Let me highlight like this so that I can see the elements. So this one needs to go to, I don't feel like I need this line, so let me delete it. This text, I don't feel like I need it. This person is okay. Here I can adjust my logo, but I don't want to get the logo. So I think now is to adjust the wording. All right, so in this case is how to create a thumbnail in Canva. Right, so I think this guy is overlapping the nini, so let's reduce him to that. I think that's okay. Then the position is okay. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to highlight this word Canva so that you're able to see it. Let me put it in black. All right, but I don't like this I mean, it looks exaggerated, but I mean, what can we do? I think it's okay. How to create a thumbnail in Canva. Okay, so maybe we can put a Canva logo. So let me come to the elements and search for Canva, and you can see right here, go to the graphics. Good, this one is okay. I think this one is okay. Reduce it to that level and put it somewhere there. Alright, I think that's okay. Let's reduce it so that it doesn't overlap. Great, so I think that's okay. Is there anything else we can add in this? So maybe let's try and search for thumbnail and see whether we can get another background that we can use. Thumbnail. Okay, let's see this one. If you actually use this one as a thumbnail, as the background for the thumbnail, let's see how it's gonna look. Whoa, what about if we flip it vertically? And then, so I think it doesn't look okay to me. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna delete. Alright, so I think it's looking too plain, so we need a good, so let me search here, background. Need a good background because the black is just looking so plain. So so I think like this one looks okay to me. At least it's not plain black. Let's be more specific and search for black background. Okay, so I'm actually just dragging and dropping and seeing how it's gonna be. Some of the images here are actually pro, but you know, this is actually a paid version. That's why I can do some of the things. If you're using the free version, you cannot actually do this. You cannot use the pro images. Okay, so we need to select something. I think this one is looking nice. This one, about this one. Oh, I think I like this one. It's looking nice. This goldish, well, it may not be part of my, but I think I'm okay with it. Alright, so we're gonna click on share, and then we're gonna click on download. Let's put it at 1. It's okay. Then click on download. Okay, so it's been downloaded. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna upload this video. Let's upload an example of a video, alright, and show you how I'm gonna use it. So let me navigate to my YouTube channel, to my YouTube page. So I come and click the plus icon here and click on upload video. Alright, so when I click on upload video, I can now actually upload a video, and then I have the option off. So I come and click on select files. I actually wanted to upload this video that I'm recording, but you know, I can't upload it unless I've actually, because I'm recording on my laptop, so I have to end the recording and then I'll be able to upload it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just upload an example. Alright, so for example, in this case, let's go to videos, and I have some videos here, so let's use this one. Okay, so when I am uploading, so you see now it is uploading the video, but in this case I'm gonna adjust a few things. So in this case, this is a Kenyan Canva tutorial, but I can adjust the title to how to use Canva to make a YouTube thumbnail. Right, in your description you can add a few things, including just a small description of what you're doing. For example, in this video you will learn how to use Canva to make a YouTube thumbnail. Alright, then you can also add your links here and other things. So I want to show you the importance of that, having a thumbnail. So in this case I'm going to click on upload file, and then I'm going to go to downloads and select the what we have done and click open. Alright, so you can see this is how it's looking like, and for me I think it's okay. Of course it's not really perfect, because I mean we should have aligned this so that it is not, you know, looking like diagonal, but I think it's okay to break the rules. Then you can select your playlist. If you don't have, you can just create playlist, select new playlist. In this case I'm just gonna select a playlist on thumbnails, and then click on create and click on done. Then I'll say this one is not made for kids, and then I'm gonna click on no, don't restrict my videos to 18 only, because of course this is actually content that is okay with even children, and there is no AI generated content in this case. And my category is actually how to and style. Yeah. Alright, then for the elements, it says that you can complete this step of the standard version of your video has been processed. So once it finishes to process,